All right, here I will show you how to do linear regression on the stats calculator and give you an example. So the thing that we need to do first is take a data set and put it into the lists within the stats calculator. So just jump over to the list editor first and start entering that data. So L1 is going to be the independent variable, and that's probably going to be labeled with an X in your homework problem. And then L2 will be the dependent variable, which is labeled usually with a Y. So enter that data, put that in. I'll do it as quickly as possible here. And L2 is going to be, of course, the Y data. All right, now once that's in, it's all set. We just need to go back to the Calc menu here. And in order to run linear regression, there's a function for it, but you don't need to remember the name of it. Just click this button and it will put the function in for you. And then at that point, just tell it where your data is. So your X data, your independent variable that is in L1. The dependent variable is in L2. So just do L1 comma L2, press enter or calculate, and it gives you the output here. So R is the correlation coefficient, and R squared is literally just the square of the value R. Some classes use that instead. But in this case, 0.8 is a good use for the correlation coefficient here. Usually you round that to 3 decimal places, but to 3 decimal places it's still 0.8. And then A and B, these are the values of the slope and y-intercept of a line that best fits your data. So the slope of that line would be 0.56 and the y-intercept would be 36.93. So the line equation would look like y equals 0.56 times x plus 36.93. And then if you needed to make any predictions based off of unknown data values, you could use that line to do so.